Private pilot written exam questions. Airplane stability. Question 1. What is the effect of advancing the throttle in flight? Answer is B. Both the aircraft's ground speed and angle of attack will increase. Loading an airplane to the most aft center of gravity will cause the plane to be less stable at all speeds. What determines the longitudinal stability of an airplane? Answer A. The location of the CG with respect of center of lift. What causes the airplane, except the T-tail, to pitch down when the power is reduced and controls are not adjusted? The downwash on the elevators from the propeller slipstream is reduced and the elevator effectiveness is reduced. Changes in the center of pressure of a wing effect of the aircraft's aerodynamic and controllability. Question 6. An aircraft loaded with a center of gravity rear at the aft limit could increase the likelihood and invert over stress. An airplane has been loaded in such a manner that the center of gravity is located aft of the aft CG limit. One undesirable flight characteristic pilot must experience with this airplane would be a longer takeoff run, stalling at a higher speed than normal, difficulty recovering from a stalled condition. This is a tricky question. What you want to understand is that what is a flight characteristic that the plane will experience? So the answer would be C. Difficulty from a stalled condition. Question 8. An airplane said to be inherently stable will require less effort to control.